Welcome to Scienfinity. We have today simple linear equation. It's such a important lesson that you have to know if we want to build a strong foundation for next lessons, or even if you want to be a master in mathematics. So let's begin as always with definition. What's the simple linear equation? A linear equation is an equation that has one variable and the highest power of the variable is 1. As we see here the example, we have x plus 3 equals 7. We have what's the variable? The variable is x, or even it's different between equation to another. We have x, or maybe z, or maybe y. It changes from equation to another. So what's the goal to solve linear equations? We want to find the value of the variable like x or y, as I mentioned. The variable not limited to only x. It may be x or y or z or k, any letters that represent the variable. So variable like x or y that makes the equation true. So how can we follow, or how can we find, or how can we solve the equation? We have to follow some steps to solve it. So basic steps to solve: one, simplify both sides if it needed. For example, if we have x equals 3 plus 10, we don't have to simplify because it's already simplified. We have the first side x and another sides the constants. So if we have constants in one side and the variable another sides, we don't have to simplify. So um, the, 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 the the only way to simplify, if you see for example 3x plus 2 equals 10, for example, so we have to to isolate the x and move the constants to another side. So yeah, to move variables to one side, as I mentioned. Three, move constants to the other side. 4, solve for the variable by dividing or multiplying. So we will see for the next examples as we have here. So let's just read tips. The tip says always do the opposite operation to move a number. For example, if we have sorry for example, if we have um, 3x, or let's do x plus 2 equals 6. We have here addition, right? Move the constant to another side with the opposite operation. What's the opposite operation of addition? Subtraction, right? So x equals 6 minus 2. So x equals 4. So as it's written here, if it's addition, subtract; if it's subtraction, add; if it's multiplication, divide; if it's division, multiply. So it's really simple. You have just to get used to these type of equations, just to be if you want to become a master. Just follow these steps and you will solve any question that may face you. So let's move to examples. We just said that we have to do the opposite operation of the constants. So x plus 5 equals 12. As we mentioned, we have to isolate the variables from constants. So yeah, if we want to x from for other side, for another sides, and 5 for another side. So let's move 5 to the other side, and the operation of 5 is addition. So let's move it to subtraction. So x equals 12 minus 5. So 12 minus 5 is equal 7, so x equals 7. So if you want to make sure that we solve true, just substitute the 7 with x. So let's substitute them. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 equals 12. That's right, so we solve it true. 2x equals 10. We want to associate it. So the 2, it's multiplied by x, so the opposite operation of multiplication is division. So divide both sides or move it to another sides with division, so it will be 2, and we can cancel out the 2 here. So x equals 10 over 2, so x equals 5. The third problem here, the third example, 3x plus 4 equals 13. We have the third example here, 3x plus 4 equals 13. Notice, always do the subtractions and additions first to make the example easier. So just move 4 to another side. It will be 3x plus 3x equals 13 minus 4. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 3x equals 9. So now let's move 3 to another side by division, divide both sides by 3, or move it to another side with division operation. So we can cancel out this 3 and move it to another side. So here x equals 3. So to make sure, let's substitute it. 3, let's substitute x with 3. 3 plus 4 equals 13. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4 is 9, plus 4 is 13. Yes, so we are right. We are in the right way. So yeah, the final question, last but not least, we have here 5x minus 2 equals 18. As I mentioned, move first is subtractions and additions. Move 2 to another side. It will be 5x equals 18 plus 2. The opposite operation of subtractions is additions. So yeah, 5x equals 18 plus 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20. 5x equals 20. Move 5 to another side and cancel it out. So x equals 20 over 5, it's 4. Let's substitute it to make sure that we solved true. 5, let's substitute 4 with x. 5 times 4 minus 2 equals 18. So 5 times 4 minus 2, it's 18. Let's see, 5 times 4, it's 20, minus 2, it is 18. So we are true. So just to make sure that what's the linear equation or the simple linear equation to evaluate the first side with the another. So like a scale, so we have here, for example, if we substituted the variable the constant with the variable, we will see that the another side is equal the other side. So if they are equivalent, we are in the right way. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.